How to turn on or turn off car mode for Spotify app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn on or turn off car mode for Spotify app. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Car mode allows you to have a better view of Spotify, especially while you are driving, because the items on the screen will be larger and easier to manage. So, go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And now, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen, and further tap on the settings and privacy option you see there. You will then see the option for car. Tap on that. Now go ahead and toggle on the button for car mode if you want to turn on car mode, and go ahead and toggle off the button for car mode if you want to turn off car mode. When car mode is enabled, it allows the car mode to automatically turn on once you connect to Bluetooth in your vehicle. So, this is how you can turn on or turn off car mode for Spotify app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.